You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this traditional British desserts, originally from the UK, English even. Apparently it's a mixture of strawberries, other berries, meringue, whipped cream. Eton Mess, so it's like a mess. Yes, it looks a bit messy, I guess. And it's Eton. So Eton Mess. The Americans would say it as Eton Mess. Eton Mess. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.